Hello everyone, welcome to Bangtan Global, a place wholly dedicated to BTS and ARMY. As you already know that our BTS has already released their latest digital single Butter, and from the day of its release, it is continuously breaking and setting new records one after another. BTS are again making history with their latest single Butter. So in this video we are going to see how many records are set up or broken by Butter till now. So first of all, BTS have got a chance to perform their recent single on a big stage like BBMAs. The performance was a big hit and left the audience and ARMY immersed in that moment. On 25th May, Butter was the #1 pop song that week at Pandora Music Top Thumb 100 chart. You can see it, and this image was also uploaded by group's official Twitter handle. BTS performances are always overloaded with so many surprises and hard-hitting moves with intricate choreographies. The Butter music video was the biggest premiere in the YouTube history, which has drawn 3.9 million concurrent viewers for its May 21 premiere on YouTube. And BTS, from their Butter premiere record, broke their own record that was set by Dynamite, which had attracted 3 million concurrent viewers according to the official YouTube blog. The Butter music video also set a new all-time record for YouTube video views in the first 24 hours, having over 108.2 million in the first day according to YouTube. This time, they again broke their own record of Dynamite with 101.1 million in 24 hours. Isn't that amazing? Butter had 32.2 million US streams and 242,800 units sold in the week ending May 27 according to Nielsen Music and MRC data. Now let's move on to the Spotify record. After the single dropped on Spotify, it garnered 11,042,305 global streams in just one day, breaking the record for the most streamed track on Spotify in the first 24 hours, beating Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber's I Don't Care by 64,946 streams. See, this is the aura of our BTS. They are just amazing. No words.
전 좋아요 하겠습니다.
자, 여러분 음악을 작업할 때 주로 어디서 영감을 받으시나요? 가장 많은 영감을 받는 것 같습니다. 역시 아미죠.
Butter also broke Amazon Music records globally. BTS Butter received the most first week streams of any song in the history of Amazon Music. First week streams of Butter on the platform more than doubled than that of group's previous song Dynamite. And not only that, Amazon Music itself promoted the 3D audio experience of BTS Butter by promoting it on a big billboard, and you can see it in the picture which was uploaded by BTS official Twitter handle. BTS with their latest achievements have embraced 23 incredible records that made them one of the most successful music groups in Guinness World Records history, as the organization said. As of April, BTS became the most streamed group on Spotify with about 16.3 billion streams, and this record was previously held by the group Coldplay. Our BTS has now also become the 7th artist to earn their first 4 Hot 100 #1 in less than a year, joining the Beatles and Mariah Carey according to Billboard. Whenever BTS come on the scene, they just own the whole scene. They paint everything in purple. This is what BTS are. Sometimes I wonder, how could be someone so perfect? They work hard for their dreams, and in the end, their hard work always pays off. That is why I always say that I am proud to be a dedicated BTS ARMY, and we ARMYs are in a relationship with our BTS that is beyond explanation. And if you love BTS and want this kind of videos, you can like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video on my channel. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.